Hello Nigerians, this is Meteorite Solar Company presenting to you how you can cook with sun every day without worrying about battery or cooking gas or NEPA. See it live. Oh, this beans is cooking now right direct from solar panel connected on this Meteorite solar engine. This solar cooker, you can connect it to our Meteorite engine and cook with the sun every day and save huge amount of money. Or you can connect it direct to solar panel. We can show you how to do this. Either connect to Meteorite solar engine direct or connect it to solar panel on the roof, and you can cook every day. Just call us now on 09025 383-497. Meteorite Solar. Enjoy cooking with this Meteorite solar system and this solar cooker, and save huge amount of money from cooking gas, electric bill, battery. You don't need battery any longer. This cooker can destroy your battery in the next 2 or 5 minutes. But by cooking in the sun, and Nigeria is blessed with abundant electricity. Cooking with the sun every day from morning till evening is a huge amount of money. So call us now to get your order. Meteorite Solar Company 09025 383-497. Thank you and God bless you.